Someone just posted a great review about us and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So, whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.